Ambetter Health Insurance Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how health insurance options have changed in 2025. Ambetter offers marketplace plans with competitive pricing and wellness incentives, but is it the right fit for you? The surprising truth is affordability. Most people get this wrong by assuming comprehensive coverage has to be expensive. Ambetter provides plans on the health insurance marketplace, often with subsidies, making premiums manageable for individuals and families on a budget. One major advantage is wellness benefits. You won't believe what happens next when you see Ambetter rewards members for healthy behaviors like routine checkups, vaccinations, and even fitness tracking. These incentives can reduce out-of-pocket costs while promoting long-term health. Ambetter also provides access to telehealth services, preventive care, and prescription coverage, ensuring members have multiple ways to manage their health conveniently. The network includes a wide range of primary care providers and specialists, although availability may vary by state. However, there are cons. Some users report limited provider networks in certain regions, which can make finding a preferred doctor challenging. Deductibles and co-pays may also be higher than expected depending on the plan chosen. Customer service experiences vary, so patience may be required when resolving claims. In conclusion, Ambetter Health Insurance in 2025 is ideal for individuals and families seeking affordable, flexible, and wellness-focused coverage. While network limitations and variable customer experiences exist, the accessible plans, telehealth options, and wellness rewards make Ambetter a compelling choice for those looking to balance cost and comprehensive care.